first day we'll see ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. So what is ternary operator? See, let me create b equal to 20. Okay. Normally, how to compare these two using if condition, right? Now I wanted to print minimum value from these two numbers, right? How to do that? If a less than b, yeah, print minimum is minimum value is a, right? Then else print minimum is b, right? See, let me execute this. See, now minimum is a, right? A. Let me write here b also. Okay. Minimum is a and a value is 10. Okay. Now what is the minimum? Minimum is b and b value is 5. So why we use ternary operator is, so it is shortcut to if else. For example, minimum equal to, first you need to write condition. If, okay, if a less than b, then left side will be this output. This you can write. See, simple. It is very simple. See, if it is true, it will execute left side code. Okay. Else, if it is false, it will execute right side. Clear now? See, now let me execute this. Into, okay. Now see, both are same, right? So, so whenever you want to use for like small statements, okay, it is single line statement, right? So for these kind of single line statements, we can use ternary operator using like this. Simple. First write condition, okay, left side, like if it is true, you need to write left side statement. If it is false, after else, we can write another statement. Clear? Now, so let me take one list, okay? So this is the list I am having. From this list, I wanted to remove UKs. I wanted to remove object UK. All UKs from data. Normally, how can we do? Data dot remove of object name UK. Right? So here I wanted to remove all UKs. Here how many UKs are there? 3 UKs are there. So 3 times we need to remove, right? 3 times we need to remove. print data. Okay, let me print here or see all UKs are removed here. For example, in future, if you will get more UKs, 10 UKs, 20 UKs, okay. Here, you know, 3 UKs are there. Simply you are writing 3 times, right? Now, see here, we have more UKs, right? So, this time also you wanted to remove. So, likewise, we cannot write 20 removes, right? So, that is why we have for repetitive tasks, we can use for loop, right? We can use for loop. Yeah. Now tell me, how can we apply for loop here? For I I in. Okay, data. Yeah. First tell me, first the requirement is I need to remove all UKs from this list. First, what you need to know that that you should get that idea first. That is the first step, right? First step we need to get idea. First idea. What is the first step we need to do? How many UKs are there? We need to find first, right? How many UKs are there? We need to find that first. How to find how many UKs are there? How? Yeah, count. Simply we can use count method, right? Yeah. How to do that? Data dot count of UK. Now we have count, right? Here, for example, 5 or 6 are there. Okay, 6 UKs are there. Now, see, if you loop 6 times here, this loop, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do this simply here, will it work? Yeah. Now, yeah. Before this, yeah. Now here, tell me. Uh, for yeah for now, tell me first for this answer. 5 print A. Now tell me what is the answer here. It will print 5 times A because range function and 5 we are using, right? So same likewise, why can't we use here, right? Range of C, simple, right? Range of C, clear? See, all UKs are gone. Likewise, you need to get ideas. You need to like create logics, right? That is why we need to remember all methods, all data types and its methods. Then only we will get idea, right? Yeah. Now here you can write like this also. This is also possible. Directly here also you can write count of UK. This is also possible. Clear? Yeah. Here let me execute this. Here see 5 times A is printing. Here also happening same time, right? See, the requirement is just we need to do 5 times, right? You need to execute this statement 5 times. So simply we can put 5 here using range and it will loop 5 times. Clear? Yeah. Now let me take two lists, data 1 and data 2 I have. Okay. Now for this I want output rn1 as key. Okay. rn1 as key and Ajay as value. So likewise I need dictionary. How can we do this? Using for loop, right? First I want dictionary. First step, what you need to do? You need to create empty dictionary. Okay, this is the output. Assume this is output I want. Okay, this is first step we have completed. So output we want dictionary. Okay, empty dictionary we have defined here. Then then how many times you need to loop? We need to find that also, right? How many times you need to loop? So can we find length of not 6 times, only 3 times you need to loop, right? See, let me tell you here. See, the logic you can think here. First, see, from data 1, 0th index value, okay? From data 2 also, 0th index value here, okay? So, how to access data 1 of 0 and data 2 of 0? Then, next step, 1 and 1, right? Here, data 1 of 1, data 2 of 1. So, first you need to like create like this logic, right? Then you will get to know like what we need to use here. What can we use here for loop or if condition, and then based on this only we will get to know, right? So len of here first I am finding len of data 1, right? 3 times if you loop here like 3 times or 4 times or n times. In future, if you have more elements, right? So that time also it will work automatically, right? Now for I in, how to generate numbers? How to generate numbers? Range, right? Range of L. Here range of L. Len of data 1 is what? Range of range of 3, right? Here, len of data 1 is 3. Here, range of 3, what is the output? 0, 1, 2, 2. So again, 0th index, first index, second index. Automatically we are getting, right? Now, let's print I, okay? We are printing I. This is, this is index, okay? Now, data 1 of I, okay? Data 2 of I. Okay. Now let's execute this. Here I missed. Here I missed colon. Okay. See now. Clearly, we are getting Rn1 Ajay, Rn2 Ramesh, Rn3 Vijay. Now, how to store these values in dictionary? That is the final step, right? Out of data 1 of I equal to data 2 of I. Clear? Now print out here. See, now clearly we are able to convert these two lists to dictionary. Likewise, we need to think like we need to build logics. Okay, based on the requirement, you need to build logics. First, assume this. How can we do? First, create in your mind this structure. Okay. After that, you will get to know what to do. Okay. See, now here from right. So here, can you tell me output now here? I have added two more elements to this data too. Can you think of this and can you tell me output? What we are doing, line by line read what we are doing and what we will get output. Hmm? See, simply just see here. First, we have defined one empty dict here. Then we are getting length from data one. We are getting length from data one. Okay. This data one length we are utilizing here in for loop. Again, how many times it will loop here? Three times, right? Three times it will loop and it will exit from this loop. Clear? So now also till here it will loop. Clear? Because we are using data one length. We are using data one length. So then output will be same, right? Output will be same. See, clear? Because we are using data one length, right? No error, nothing. Clear? No, it will like loop only based on this, right? Based on this. So in requirement also we will ask this question. Okay. Whenever there like for example this data is available in Excel file. Okay. Rn1, Rn2, Rn3 is header line. Okay. This is uh, values. Okay. If they are adding other values without header, we will ask that, we will tell that to the client or stakeholder. So the format should be like this, header should be there. Otherwise, these two will not be considered. So even see, we are not touching this, right? Even we are not touching this. Just we are capturing till here. We are not touching this other data, right? So, well, like we are getting requirements, right? That time only we'll ask these kind of questions. Yeah. Now let's see here. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the output we'll get? What is the length of data one now? One, two, three, four, five. Five. Five times it will loop. Right? Yeah. Now, what is the output we'll get? Okay. Again, yeah. See, as per dictionary, let me explain this first. See, as per dictionary, if if same key will get right, it will take later one. Correct? We need to remember rules. Now see, RN1 is Ajay. Okay? RN1 is Ajay. Okay? Now RN2, second time also there, RN2. Okay? RN2 is Ram here we are getting. Later one, RN2 mapping Ram, right? And RN3 Ravi. Clear? Now here tell me Rn4 and Rn5 and Rn6. Now tell me what is the output we'll get. Here length is 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times it will loop here. So we are trying to access 6 times here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Here this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Where is 5? 5 is not there. So we will get an, yeah, we will get an error. List index out of range. Clear? Now how to fix this? How to fix this? You should not get error. How can we fix that? Hmm? See, before here only we are getting error. Something line number 12. Okay, here from this program line number 12. Why we are getting error here? Data 2 of 5 we are trying to access, but fifth element is not available, right? So before this line, we need to do something, right? But no, that is not like correct, right? You can what element you will add? That is data is coming from the client. You cannot add your own data. You need to do coding, okay? Don't change input file. Don't change inputs. We cannot change input. Only you can do coding. Can we, yeah, can we do here if len of data 1, okay? Len of data 1 equal to len of data 2. Then only do these operations. Otherwise, else tell user, tell user, please provide correct input file. Please provide input file is wrong. Yeah, input is wrong, right? Now see, user will not get this error message because user doesn't know this what it is, but because he don't know the Python or he don't know Java, he don't know, he is not technical. He is going to use our tool finally. So simply 1 minute. Yeah. Then now data type. Okay. Still where? Still where we are getting? This is for 5, right? See, here input is wrong. Okay. I will tell you how to fix this also in future. Okay. See, clear now? I'll tell you how to fix this also. Only we need to tell one time, not 5 times or 10 times, right? Only we need to tell one time to the user. We need to break here actually. Okay? We need to break here in this else block. So likewise, we need to think and we need to write programs. But we cannot change inputs. Okay? Input is coming from the client. We cannot put our own data and we can execute. Yes, not reminder, and that is not like meaningful, right? When we are working for clients, we need to work for client data, not our own data. Okay. Now let me take same list. Okay. This is the list I am having. Okay. Now requirement is separate the list based on even and odd indexes. So store even indexes in one list and odd indexes data another list. Yeah. Now tell me how can we do? Here we see indexes, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How can we do this? First requirement is we need to store in two separate lists. First, what you need to do? You need to define two lists first, right? List 1 and list 2. First step we have completed. Next step is we need to put details in this list 1 and list 2. Right? Hmm? Yeah. For I in range of len of data. Now tell me what we are getting here. First len of data is 6. 6. Len of data is 6. Range of 6 is it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indexes we are getting here already. Okay. Our requirement also odd index values store in one list, even index values store in another list. Okay. Now how to find even indexes and odd indexes? If I percentage 2 equal to 0, if this remainder is 0, it will be a even, right? Print. Okay. Let's print even index. It is even index values. Okay. Let's print I comma data 5. Okay. Just I am printing first. Okay. Else odd index. Odd index. Okay. Now it can execute this. Okay. Even index 0 and rn1. Okay. Odd index 1 Ajay. Now clear? Now can we store? Can we store in list? Yeah. Yeah. How can we do? List one dot append. Append, right? Append append data by. Same likewise, list2 dot list2 dot append data by. Now let's print list1 and list2. List1, list2. Okay. Clear? Clearly, we are getting details in separate list, right? Yeah. Till now, do you have any questions? Anyone? So these are all just I am explaining you logics, okay? How to build logics based on the requirement. So where in future we'll do like some requirements. So that time we need to merge these raw logics and you can create one big script, big tool based on the requirement. So now tell me answer to this print. It is simple only into one. Okay. See, let me change this numbers 3, 4, yeah, 5. Now tell me what is the output I'll get here. Output 1 star. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next. Next 4. Next 5. Right. So based on, for example, user want to print 10 times like this. This pattern. This is the pattern. Okay. So we cannot write 10 print statements, right? If you want to print 100 times, we cannot print 100 print statements likewise, right? Now, can you tell me how can we do using for loop? This one, yeah. Tell me now, how can we do this? For example, n equal to 5. 5 times, okay? For I in. Can we use range? Range, mainly range is used for generating numbers, generating indexes or generating numbers. 5, meaning here 5 times it will loop, right? Right? 5 times it will loop. Yeah. Now tell me print. Print of star into I, right? Now tell me what is the output we will get for simply these two lines. Huh? 6. It is printing. See, only 4 times. Only 4 times it is printing. That is why you need to remember all rules. Okay. Range. If you are using range, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Till 4 it will come. Clear? Clear? Now, see, here star into 0 it will be 0 only, right? That is why here we are getting empty. So, yeah, you need to remember that. Now, how to fix that? Can we use start from 1 end plus 1, right? End 5 plus 1. See, clear now? Clearly, we're getting right. So, likewise, you need to think. See, clearly, we're getting a requirement, right? We're reaching requirement. But this is wrong, right? Yeah. So, now line number 25. Yeah. See, this is also possible. See, that is why based on the you are like thinking, right? See, here you are telling me to put 5 here, okay? Here increase with 1. See, again here, see, this is directly not possible. Let me restore this. See, error we are getting. Sure. Yeah, let me keep like this. So you need to do some work around, right? That is correct. Whatever you are thinking, that is correct. We can do. That is possible. See, this workaround you need to do. This is mathematical operations we are doing, right? So, as per Python, we cannot like do mathematical with strings, right? This is string. Here we are using repeater, right? Here we are using repeater. This is not here what multiplicator, mathematical multiplicator. Okay, this star. But when you are using plus one, right? This is integer, this is integer. So you need to separate like this. Then it will work. This is also possible. Clear? But straightforward, we can use this method. Right? Now I need output in opposite way. For example, first 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. Yeah. Now can you tell me where we need to use minus 1? Or, okay. Now tell me where we need to use minus 1. So let me here 5, okay, here and plus 1. Yeah, where we need to use minus 1. Hmm? If you want to use minus 1, right? See, here just use n, okay? Here use 0, okay? Now use minus 1. Now tell me n meaning first to 5, next 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 0 will not come anyway, right? Till 1 only will get as per indexing, right? Clear? We are getting in opposite way. Now, can you combine these two? Now we'll see the pattern, how it looks. Okay, first and this, take this also. Yeah, something much 100 to 9. Okay, here, see. Let me take this and keep it here. Now n plus 1. Okay. Here I am using this. Now see, tell me what is the output we'll get. 9. See how it's look like. Clear, right? Now see, can we put this one left side also in opposite way? It will be like dollar, right? If we put this same pattern left side, okay, in opposite way, it will be dollar, right? Now just check this for I in range of 1 comma, let me take one big value, okay, 1 comma 12. Now print star into I. Now tell me what is the output we'll get? How many stars will get last at last? 12 stars or 11 stars? 11. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stars, right? Clear? So now for I in range of opposite way 12, okay, comma 0, comma step by minus 1. Now print star into I. Now we'll see clearly how we are getting. This is the pattern we receive now, right? See, here it is starting from 12. You are getting right. Here, how many stars are there here? See, how many stars are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stars because here we are starting from 12, right? Ending with 1. Clear? Now tell me, see, for example, uh, 1, 2, 3 star, okay, star, 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 minus here star, 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 star. See, can we do like this? First one star, next three stars, next five stars, right? What happening here actually? Star. Here what happening? Jump by two, right? First one, next three, next five, next seven. Okay, next seven. Here seven for seven, right? For seven, how many spaces are there here? See, one, two, three. Three spaces we need to put here based on this number. Seven. If you give seven, right? See, seven. If you give seven, right? Three spaces required. How to reach this? If user is like if user is giving here 10, right? How many spaces you need to get? As per this logic only, how can we get this? 3, right? See, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. What is the output? 3.5, right? See, so now from here we need to get this three only, right? So this is the logic we need to build, right? This is the procedure first. This is the logic. Then after you do coding. Okay, first create for any kind of requirements. First create your own logic in your own way. Okay, then you can do coding based on this. See, now you know that n equal to 7, right? If user is giving number 7. Now just let simply take I in range of range of 1 comma n, right? 1 comma n. Now simply let's print this I print a star into I. Now what is the output we'll get here? 11, right? See, n 1 to 6, right? I want 7, right? I want 7. So simply we need to increase here 1. So don't modify input. This is coming from user. Okay, remember this always. We need to modify here our logics only. Don't modify here. Don't change here to 8. Okay. User doesn't know if user will give 8, only 7 will print. That is not meaningful, right? So user will give here input like this 7 only because he want only 1 to 7 stars. So in our code, we need to handle that. So we need to increase here n plus 1. Now we have here 7 stars are there, right? Clear? Now tell me spaces, right? We need to put spaces here. We need pattern like this, okay? Not like this. We need pattern like this, right? To do that, can we do step here? One step. This is first. One by one we can do. Okay. First, see now we are getting 1 star, 3 stars, 5 stars, 7 stars. This is fine. Okay. But we need output like this, right? So we need to put spaces here. 3 spaces here. Already we found the solution. How to get that three? Okay. Already we found that solution. Here take spaces. How to get spaces? How many spaces? No, don't hard code. Okay. So only this line is coming from the user. Okay. Here you need to code. Now here 7 you are seeing if you yeah n by 2 n 1 by 2. So now this is float, right? This is float. If we want to make it as integer, we can convert it to integer, right? Simply. We can convert it to int of n by 2. Clear? Now we have spaces also, right? Now how to put these spaces front side, right? Here we need to put two parts, okay? Part one is spaces, okay? Part two is stars. Clear? Part one is spaces. here part 1 equal to first how many spaces we need to keep? 3 spaces, right? As per this 3 we are getting, right? See, can I do like this? Into spaces. Here I am multiplying spaces with this number. What is this number here? 3. Understand this clearly, okay? Next part 2. What is part 2 is stars, right? We need to print stars into we need to here one, right? One star. First one star. Here see, first one star is coming, right? Yeah. One, then 3 stars, then 5 stars, then 7 stars. Here also we have declared part 1 and part 2, right? Next, what we need to do? Just we can combine, right? Just we can combine part 1 and part 2. Part 1 plus part 2. See, here part 1, as per this requirement, 3 spaces, okay? First 3 spaces, okay? Part 2, 1 star. Here, in first step, we are having 1 star. Clear? Yeah. Is it completed or still pending? Now, let me execute this as it is, okay? See, how we are getting here? See, 3 stars. We are getting this part 1 is not changing, right? Because here 3 is there, always it is printing 3 stars. What we need to do here? We need to decrease, right? We need to decrease 1 star here. Here 1 space, here 2 space, here nothing, 0 spaces. How can we do that? Just at last spaces equal to, we need to decrease by 1. Clear? Finally, see, first time 3, right? 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. First time it will print this first one. Okay. Second time here 3 minus 1, 2. 2 spaces only will print here. Okay. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Here. One space will print. Third is will get 3. 3 spaces. Right. Here we have 3, right? 3 minus 3. No. Already 2 is there, right? 2 minus 1, 1. Right? After that, 1 minus 1, 0. Finally, we'll get 0 here. See, now clearly we're able to make this pattern. Clear? See, for example, here, if user is changing this to 11, see, automatically it is working. Right? Anything. Clear? See, 25. See, clear? Automatically it is happening. So we are getting input from user and our code is doing as required. Right? So don't change input. Okay? Clear? See, while you are testing, right? While you are testing, change input. While you are testing, change input and check. Right? Okay. Now yeah. Now can you try this in opposite way? Here, see. Here it is there. Okay. below side also, you need to get same in opposite way. Here you have this, right? So below also we need in opposite way. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Can you try in home and yeah, send me in chat. Okay. Where? Which line? 16th line, huh? Why you are taking? Yeah, step by two. See, this is the requirement. First is one, okay? First is one. Next three. If you want to see three, you need to step by two here. See, if you do here one, right? See the output, how it is come. You need to step, if it is stepping by one, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. But as per this pattern, we need to step by two, 1 star, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like that. Yeah. Any doubts? Anyone? Others? So you can try in home. So try to print in opposite way. Here, it should be like dollar. Yeah. Okay. I think if you like understand these patterns, right? So then you can do any kind of operations using for loops. If you understand this pattern, try. This is one question. Okay. Other one I told you right here somewhere. See here opposite way. Here it is. Four, eight. Here it is likewise. Right? Yeah, try in different ways. Try to make different patterns. Okay, then you will get to know the how to use for loops. So now tell me uh, what all are logical operators are available and are not. Okay. Now let's answer this. I have India. Okay. Now this is the input coming from the user. I want to check starting from I and ending with A. Starting with I and ending with A. Then it is expected output. Okay. Otherwise, it is false, not expected output. Starts with I, ends with A. How can we do that? If if data dot starts with I. This is string, right? We are using string method. This is string method. Yeah. And logical operator we need to use. And data dot ends with I. Okay. Then just print it is expected output. Expected output. Else else false. Print not expected output. Not expected. Okay. What is false? So see data starting with I here ending with A. Yeah. Let me make it. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. See this is expected output. If you change, see Italy. Okay. Now this is not expected output. So likewise, you need to think. You need to call methods, related methods. That is why you need to remember basic data types and data type methods. Then you need to remember all like conditions and this like if you want to use loops or conditions, we need to get the ideas, right? See here now let me tell you uh, for and right. For example, case one, okay, case two, and operation. What it will do? See false, false, false and false or false. Okay, false, true, also false, also false and operator. Where is it and operator? Okay, here true, here false, false, right? Next true, true and true, true. See if we see this table, if all are true, okay, then only true. If one false is there also, it will be false. That you need to remember. Okay. Same likewise for R also. Case 1, case 2, R operator. R. Okay. For example, true. Otherwise, let's take same thing. See. False, false is false. Okay. True, true is true. True, false also true. True, true also true. See, if we see this table, if one true also true, okay, if one true also true, okay, we see here if one false also false. Remember this, okay, and or, yeah. Now tell you one more example. Okay. Here a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now I want to addition this 10 and 20. Can I do? Out equal to a plus b. B. What is the output we'll get here? Yeah, it is not possible, right? We'll get an error. So requirement is if both are integers, then only do addition operation. Otherwise, tell the user both should be integers. Yeah. Now how can we do? How to check first integer or not? Yeah. If okay, type of A, okay, and type of B, Hmm. Here we need to compare, right? If type of A integer, okay, and if type of B integer, then do operation. Result equal to A plus B. Okay. Else print both are not integers, right? Both are not integers. Clear? Now let me execute this. See, clearly it is telling both are not integers. We are not getting any errors. Clear? If you give here 20, now you will see the here print result. Okay. Now you are able to see that addition. See, likewise, we need to think based on the requirement. Now see, same how to check given number is integer or float. How to check given number is integer or float. For example, number equal to 3.5. Okay. Now, how to check given number is integer or float. Otherwise, yeah. Just tell me given number is number or given number is number or string or other things, right? Just check number or not. See, 3.5 also number. Okay. 3 also number. See, these two are both. These two are numbers only, right? How to check if if okay type of number type of number equal to integer. First we are checking this. Okay, if it is integer also number, if it is float also number. Now we need to apply here or operation. Or operation type of number equal to float float. Then print it is a number. Okay, else not a number, right? Not a number. It is a number. See, give this 3, 3 also number. Okay. Now number equal to ABC. Check it is not a number. Clear? Okay. You can practice for not also. Logical operator not. Okay. Based on the requirement, we'll use that. Not meaning opposite way. True, if we get true, opposite is false. For false, opposite is true. Right? For not only, I can tell you one case it will be there. Okay, not false is true, right? True is false. Just you can remember this. Okay, yeah. Just practice these things. Tomorrow we'll see loop controls. Okay. Meaning, I told you in some between here, right? We can restrict that also. Printing more times, right? So we can restrict those things using loop controls. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see that loop controls. Okay. Otherwise, if possible, yeah, we can connect today night also. Okay. For today, we can close. For now, we can close. Yeah.